Rackspace is, according to the register, is now moving some of its back office workloads off of VMware and into a platform called Private Cloud Director, offered by cloud infrastructure outfit Platform 9. Well, Rackspace is a pretty big virtual hosting system, one of the original ones, right? They pulled off some of the original code KVM stuff from the early days. If you're playing around in open source and in the early days, you know who Rackspace is. They're big. So what the heck is Platform 9 and what are they actually doing? So the register understands that Rackspace considered testing migration from VMware after the software bills rose under Broadcom licensing changes and felt they needed to consider a less costly alternative, right? This is the system at work. If there is a less costly alternative that has an acceptable level of pain to deal with, then you're going to see this type of movement. What Platform 9 did is really brilliant. The Private Cloud Director is a very nice front end for OpenStack, right? OpenStack is incredibly powerful, but it's also incredibly complex. You can do nearly anything with it, which means people don't do much of anything with it because it's too confusing. What these folks did, which I really like, is they built something called vJailbreak. And you'll see it'll show up in the show notes, a link to the GitHub. So you can download this and try it yourself. If you have a large VMware deployment or even a small one, you can take vJailbreak, push this stuff into OpenStack. So this appears to be a very polished system that moves you from VMware into a system that depends on KVM and Kubernetes.